Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Ariah's Bouncing Beams. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe down below and leave a comment what you think I should do next time. And right now I am at Home Depot and we are going to be picking out something cool today. And right now we are in this section. And this is my mom here. We just got here. So right now we just picked out a chandelier for my mom's salon right now. And Mom, what are we going to be doing? We're going to the salon today, and what else?
Painting.
And we're going to be painting at the salon. And if you like my hair, please subscribe down below. And I hope you guys like this channel. And I hope you like the other channel about that juju on that beat. And this channel is really my first. So I hope you like this channel and please subscribe down below again. Bye.